Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I chose something special for you. Now you know iOS for iPad 3.12 is on, but there's one little thing. You don't swipe up no more. I'm doing swiping up and nothing happens. So to get to the control center, go to your battery percentage and swipe down. There it is. Then you can change your brightness, double click on it, hold it, it will show you this, and you can turn on night shift. I'm going to turn night shift off so you can see. Hold volume, it shows you the volume. And you can adjust it. Hold screen mirroring, it will look for Apple TV. Hold this, you can set the schedule. You can set the schedule and hold this. Actually, you don't hold it, silent mode. I'm going to leave that on. If you hold this, or if you hold camera, you can take a selfie, record video, scan QR code, or take a photo. Hold this, you can set the timer for about 2 hours max. So I'm going to set one to 1 minute. Now it's going to do that. Now if you hold this section, it will show you all of this. If you hold this, it will show you iPad and what thing to play. That's the control center. And if you want to see your iPad storage or RAM, go to iPad storage and you can see. But to really check it, click about. You see the software version, iOS 12.3.1, model name, iPad Air. Now, I do have 9 applications, and it says how much storage is available and the capacity. And it tells you the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth thing. Let's look at the legal warranty. This warranty has expired. The warranty has expired. But went off. So give it trust test. Trust store version. Okay. And also, if you go to AirDrop, and you can change, I'm going to click everyone. Background app refresh. This will kill your battery. So what I want to do is I would rather recommend it off if you want to save battery, but I want it on. Now what do I don't want the background refreshers on is on YouTube. And then at the bottom you can either choose reset or shut down. I'm not going to press shut down because that would cancel the video. But you can switch sides too. You can change mute. That way I can do this. Or I can just click lock rotation. Accessibility. And what this will do is it will change your stuff. So, like, if you find home button, you could choose which one you want. You click slow, slowest. I keep mine at default. And you can choose which audio's on. I'm going to keep mine in the middle. You can also customize Siri. Type to Siri, always on, control mute settings, hand freeze only. Okay? On and off labels. I'll turn the labels on because they look cool. So, speech. What speech will do is you can change your speaking rate. I'm not going to change it, so I'm just going to put it back in the middle.
Speak selection reads selected content.
If you heard that, that is actually Siri. iTunes and Wi-Fi sync. You have to connect this to iTunes, so don't. VPN. I tried to create a VPN, but it won't work. Actually, I don't use the VPN. So if you click this, you could delete it. You can choose to delete it. and then it'll be gone. Now, passcode. You can turn passcode on, change your passcode, require passcode. You can change that. Today's view, and allow access when locked. I don't like USB accessories a lot because they can erase these iPads. So erase data. Nah, don't click that on unless you're crazy. Here you can show the battery percentage or show it. I'm gonna keep mine off. And you can see how much usage there is. YouTube is 97%. I watch YouTube almost every day. My screen on is 3 hours, and my screen off is 22 minutes. Now, last charge level, 8:43 a.m. Now, this is how low it got, and then I charged it all the way up, and then I'm out down to 87. Last 10 days, I've been using almost 200%. I used 170% of the battery level, the highest. This screen's on. This screen on will. Well, I used 100% on that. The last 10 days, 97%. Train taxi used 1%. Home and lock screen used 2%. Here, privacy. You can change your privacy, but I like mine. Here, wallpaper. You can change or choose your wallpaper. Choose it from what Apple recommends, or just choose your photos. Right now, I'm gonna use this. And you can either choose set lock screen, which will set out the lock screen, set home. You can set the home screen. Set both, it'll turn the lock screen. I'm gonna turn my perspective zoom off, and I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna set both. iTunes App Store. You can choose You can choose automatic downloads, music, apps, or updates. I might have mine on. Offload unused apps. I'm turning that off. Password account. Here's where you can see your passwords. I'm not going to choose mine. But, and then Uno. Well, no. Airplane mode is where you can Wi-Fi. You can choose your Wi-Fi, turn it off, or ask to join networks. What ask to join networks means no networks will be joined automatically. If no networks are zoned, you have to manually select the network. No ones are going to be automatically joined. I keep mine on 5G. I keep mine mostly on 5G. Because I can. Bluetooth, you can either choose to turn off Bluetooth or select your Bluetooth device you want to connect. Well, SRS means my speaker, which is not on, so I can't connect it. Notifications. You can choose how notifications you want. Now, I don't want mine at the banners, but I don't want none of my notification on the banners. Well, never mind. Here's so we can change your ringers. Yes, you can change with buttons too, but I have mine off. Do not disturb. You can turn on do not disturb, which calls and notifications will be silenced. That's fine because this iPad does not get calls unless from my iPhone. Silence always while iPad is locked. While iPad's locked. Allow calls from no one. Well, all contacts. Repeated calls. Second call from the same person within 3 minutes will not be silent. No. Screen time. You can see how much time you spent. Now, 1 hour into entertainment. Mind, all of it is entertainment. Downtime, app limits, always allowed, or restrictions. Use screen time passcode. You can turn off screen time, but I am. Screen time will no longer be reported, and all limits, downtimes, privacy restrictions will be turned off. No. Now, if you click software update, it will check for update. You can either choose automatic update on or off. Now, here's where we get some more crazy stuff. Control center. You can either turn it on or off. You can choose what you want. I want to scan QR codes there. Actually, what text size? I want that removed. Scan QR codes. Apple TV remote. Display and brightness. Here's where you can change your brightness of your tablet or phone. I keep mine on a consistent level. And automatically, my iPad, I don't have an iPad cover, so I can disable that. Now, Siri and search. You can set start a timer for 1 minute. Passcode, we already went through all that. But, if you click one of your apps, it will show you anything. Now, microphone on, camera on, background app refresh. I turned that off, but I'm going to turn that on. Now, in the Apple ID area, you can see your tablets on this. Well, I got parallel stuff on here. You can remove from account. But you have to sign into the cloud, which I'm not, so, nah. Like this iPad Air, iPhone 6s, MacBook Air 13-inch. Now let's get out of the settings. Now I'm going to show you the camera. The camera, actually I'm not going to show the camera because everyone knows it. Now how you use clock. To use timer, you can select time to 24 hours max. 24 hours max. Stopwatch. Here, you can start your time. It records in seconds. If you click lap, it'll start a lap. If you stop, there's a reset. If you click for that, it will reset your timer. Here's sleep, bedtime. You can turn it on or off, adjust the time you want to go to sleep, and then adjust the time you want to wake up. If you want, you can do 24 hours sleep max. I can get exactly 9 hours of sleep right here. So I'm going to set that. Alarm. Here's where you can set your alarm to wake you up. If you click the plus, you can create an alarm. If you click the edit, you can edit an alarm. Now what I want to do is now you can repeat. Well, I want it every day. And then you can change the time you want to wake up. I'm going to wake up at p.m. I'm going to add an alarm till 10 o'clock. 11 actually. Then set it and save. Now, you can edit and delete the alarms you have. I'm waking up at 11. Well, I can turn this off now. Now, if you click World's Clock, you can see all the clocks in the world. Near you. It's like New York is right there. Well, where I'm right next to New York. So, that's all for it. If you click App Store, you can download apps and games. You can download app updates or app game updates. You can search for games or apps. And then once you find one, you can choose. You can choose if you want to get it or not. If you have restrictions on it to not buying free games, you may ask a password that you have to enter, which is your Apple ID. If you click install, if you click get, it will show you. If you're running iOS 12 or iOS 0.2, it will ask you. It's going to ask you to either choose to install or to cancel or to click App Store. Well, I'm going to cancel it. Which means if you cancel it, it will just go back to normal. That's all, folks. Have a good time and see you, and hope you enjoyed this tutorial.